bored singing. Baby, take a seat and let me tell you how I feel. I've been thinking about us, and I know it's real. Now don't you doubt what we have, because I'm glad you're my babe. And I know that our friends try to separate us, but trust, you're my other half, don't you understand? No matter what you do, you're always gonna be my boo. I love you, yes, I love you. I'm gonna cater to you at my best, 'cause love season is in progress, yeah. So just relax, baby, don't you stress, and let me do the rest. I know you ain't a chick, but I'm gonna go ahead and say you're a dime. And to this day, when you're looking at me, I'm weak in the knees, and baby, I ain't lying. I'm so in love with you, it's getting harder. You're my time lover and my time partner, and I know that you're thinking every single word I speak. You better know that every word I'm saying is what I mean. You are the one and only man who means so much to me, my everything. And when you say come through, I'm coming through. And when you say I love you, I know you do. And every spoken word I use is the truth. And nobody in this world